what if I tell you कि गोटे पॉइंट थिला मो लाइफ रे व्हेन मु जानी नथली कि मु वापस केबे हसी परिबे. I was very unsure कि when I will be happy, if I will be happy ever again. मु एटा भी जानी नथली मु पुणी खुशी रही परिबे कि. Hi my beautiful roses, how are you? आज रो जहाँ डिस्कशन रहिबो it will be more of a personal story, which is a very sensitive topic as well. But before diving into the topic, mu gote disclaimer debaku chahunchi. I am not claiming anything on medical terms. If you're someone jeki you're feeling that you have some mental health concerns or anything, please get yourself checked. I am not at all a certified person. Mu बस मो स्टोरी और मो एक्सपीरियंस एटी शेयर करुची. I was diagnosed with anxiety and depression 2 years back, and I just want to tell ki how depression was for me. It can be different for different people, and how did I overcome it. So how did I know that I was in this phase? There were mainly 2-3 very major symptoms for me, which was I did not want to get up from bed. मु दिन सारा खटोपरे पड़ी की रहिली. मु बिल्कुल उठिलिनी. There was weekends coming and going, and मु every other Saturday Sunday बस खटोपरे सोई बितेची. I was not even able to do like the daily chores of my home. कहाँ संगे देखा को मन होनथला, कथा बागो मन होनथला, किछि नै. मु बस पड़ी रहिबे. And this has happened with me for weeks. And I think the other thing was I was crying a lot. दिन नाई राति नाई जेतेबेले मन करला जहाँ मन करला I'll sit and just cry. No clue जानिनी भी कहीं कांद लगुची या मतलब कहीं सेमती लगुची. खाया को जी I'll feel sad, I'll cry. सोइबा को जी I'll feel sad, I'll cry. And एमती भी नहीं जे मैंने टिके लोह बाहरिला and मु पोछी देली. Like literally एत्ती की जी मो शर्ट होता है जीवो. And I'll cry myself to sleep. And sleep, when it comes, I was not having proper sleep. Mu khotopre because I was doom scrolling whole day and all. I was like, mate nidda asuthila, but I did not want to sleep. I don't know why. I could not focus on my tasks. I could not do my job properly. And the most important thing, which will tell like if you're depressed or not, is if you are getting suicidal thoughts. And please take care of yourselves, because say thought asiva is really a scary experience. जो लोग मैंने कहती कि वॉलेट पेरेंट्स को फोटो रखी दियो या पेरेंट्स को मन पका. I would like to just tell it briefly कि you know you have that consciousness कि everyone is there around you, but you will not make that effort to reach out to them. Your brain will not tell you to reach out. Your brain will shut down. से बस तुमको गोटे कथा repeatedly चलेगा. And you have no option either to listen to it or show a lot of courage and not listen to it. So जे भी a phase रू go through जदि करूछ, if any one of you is going through this phase, then please reach out for help. It is very important कि आमे निजे first जानिबा that we are not safe. If you feel unsafe within your body in any way, please reach out for help. जदि तुमको निद्द भी होनी ना, your body is telling that I am not safe, please take care of me, and listen to your body. To come out of that phase really takes a lot of time. So मु तुमको बिल्कुल भी कहूनी that you cannot come out of that phase. I mean, look at me now. I was a person who loved dancing, and I have like a lot videos of me dancing. But when I was in this phase, I could not even face the camera. I just want to share the message ki it's not for lifetime. Because से moment रे तुमको से self doubt खाई जाउथबो कि nothing else, not like कि medicine खाइबी, not like कि मो देह कौन अछि, not like कि that question कि मु normal हे परिबी कि वापस से मु खुली की हंसी पारिबी कि मु वापस से जी पारिबी कि लाइफ को. दैट इज द बेसिक क्वेश्चन दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग. एटलीस्ट आई वाज गेटिंग, and that was constantly running in my head throughout. So how did I come out of it? How did I decide basically to come out of it? Because एमिति magic हेबनी कि तमे suddenly उठिबा and then this depression or that anxiety or that phase is gone. You have to put efforts. You have to go against all the odds and work on yourself. So first thing which I feel worked the most for me, and that is what I feel ki will work, is the mindset shift. The day you understand ki kehi tumku boncheva ko asibeni and kaha life rohuni only because you are in that phase. तम पेरेंट्स तुम वरीड थे, तुम सिबलिंग्स तुम वरीड थे, तुम पार्टनर तुम वरीड थे, तुम रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड्स एवरीवन विल बी कंसर्न्ड एंड वरीड फॉर यू. बट केही तुम साहाय्य करि परिबेनी. इट्स ओनली यू हु कैन सेव योरसेल्फ. एंड दैट माइंडसेट शिफ्ट हैज टू कम फ्रॉम यू. जदि मते ए क्विक सैंड रु बाहरियार अछि देन मुही निजे एफर्ट करके बाहरिया को पड़ियो. So the first thing I decided was ki I am not going to stay like this and I will step out of my home. I did the mindset shift. I did the thing which I liked doing the most. I went to dance workshops thankfully. And jetale mu kohuchi ki I believe in universe. So the day I thought ki I'm going to change my life is the day I started seeing signs from universe that it is trying to help me come out of that place. I could literally see the difference. The other thing I did was I forgave myself. मैं निजे को क्षमा कर ली for not knowing any better. And forgiving again is a very difficult thing. So I started practicing it on a daily basis. Every night before going to sleep, I'll tell myself that I've forgiven myself. The other thing that I did was भगवान को पाखु जाके आई यूज टू सिट एंड टॉक एंड आई जस्ट टेल कि एते जो चिंता अच्छी ना प्लीज एटा नहीं जाओ. आई डोंट वांट मु जानिनी ए चिंता को रखिकी कौन करियार मनरे कौन न करियार केमिति एते सब टेंशन संगे पुणी रहियार अच्छी. सो जस्ट टेक इट प्लीज. एंड ही टुक इट. he just took care of it. And social media played a very, I think, crucial part in the process of me being changed and this person today. Is जेतु मु doom scrolling करथुली, I just thought I will look out for some help. And I found some videos जोटा कि मते हेल्प करले निज को क्वेश्चन करियारे, निज को इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करियारे. एंड I think I became more empathetic after that. And when I look back, से दिन आउ आजिर दिन रे, I think I have come a long way, really long way. I do not aim for any sympathy. So please do not be like, yeah, you are so strong, or like, yeah, we are so sorry for you. No, please. I'm really, really, really grateful. Mu jahan bhi go through करली, only because of that I'm here today. I've grown as a person so much. I have learned a lot about myself, about others, about spirituality, about so many other things. I have only and only gratitude for everything. And again, another disclaimer, like ebe mu jaha bhi kahili, I think depression is like of two things. That is, one is clinical depression and other is situational depression. And I have no say in the clinical depression thing because mu seta go through करिनी. mu exactly जाननी कि if तारो symptoms किछि अलगा था and more sensitive than what I have gone through. So please do not take my words for anything. If you are going through any of these symptoms, please get yourself diagnosed or checked by a doctor. If you or anyone you know is showing any of these symptoms, then please check upon them. ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହୁଅ. Don't ask କି ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିବି. Just go sit with them. କିଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଦିଲାସା ଦେବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. No need to console them. Even if you don't talk, that is also fine. Just be there. ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ନା ଲୋକକୁ ବହୁତ ହିମ୍ମତ ଦେବ. I think it's high time we should talk, we should normalize. Therapies and medications are important, and you should take it whenever they are required at least. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet.